The object of the game is that two teams, observing fair play according to the laws, should by carrying, passing, kicking and grounding the ball score as many points as possible. The wide variation of skills needed for the game mean that there is an opportunity for individuals of every shape, size and ability to participate. A tackle occurs when the ball carrier is held and is brought to the ground. A scrum is formed when players from each team come together so that their heads are interlocked. The scrum half must throw in the ball at a quick speed. A line-out is formed of two lines of players with an additional player that throws in. To catch the ball, players may pre-grip a player and lift. How very nice. Players are rucking when two or more players are formed over the ball using their feet to try to win possession of the ball. A player must not jump on top of a ruck. When the ball carrier is held by one opponent and a teammate binds on to the ball carrier, a maul has been formed. After 80 minutes of play, the team with the most points wins. Go, you good thing.